Hi everyone, welcome back to the Scriptcase Macros course. My name is Nate Carpenter and today we're looking at the SC format num region macro. So this macro gives us some really good functionality. Let's go ahead and look at what it does for us. So it changes the regional currency format settings for a field. So this is specific to our currency settings, regional currency settings. So let's go over to the documentation here. So you pass in the field name and then all the other options are optional depending on what you want to do. So the first one determines the amount of decimals you want to display. The second one tells you whether or not you want to insert zeros to complete those decimal spots. And then the third one is the monetary symbol, whether or not to display it. So that's just a yes or no value. So let's go ahead and copy this example here and take it over to a Scriptcase application that I have set up. So I have a grid set up. Let's go ahead and run this grid, just a basic grid with a few fields set up on it. And we're going to be focusing on this amount field, which is a currency field and only has one decimal spot right now. So we're going to go to events and on record here. And let me copy in that code. So there it is. And then I need to change the decimal spots to 2. And yes, we want to fill in zeros. And yes, we want to display the currency symbol. So those are those three fields, those three options that we're setting there. And then we just need to pass in the field name. So if I go to fields over here on the left, I can find that field amount right there. And I type in amount and I run this and it should work. So let me go ahead and wait for this to load here. And it should change the formatting for the amount field. And there we go. So now we have the currency field, the currency symbol, and we have 2 decimal spots that are filled out with zeros. So that's how you use SC format num region to change the regional currency settings.